beneath the golden embrace of a setting sun. A herd of dairy cows finds solace in the soft embrace of the earth. Their sturdy forms sprawled across a verdant pasture like gentle giants at rest. Mottled hides, creamy whites, rich browns, and shadowy blacks blend with the sun-dappled grass, creating a living tapestry of calm. Heads tilt lazily, ears flicking at invisible flies, while others nestle their muzzles into the soil, breathing in the earthy scent of clover and dew. A symphony of quiet contentment hums through the scene. Thanks for watching.